Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My friend said that a trek would take 5 minutes, but it took us 15 minutes to reach the waterfall. Yes, I'm never going to trust that friend again. Finally, we reached our destination.
आमचं पेशंट बाबू बसला मातसो थकत तो लिंबू करता पिवपा खातीर बिकॉज आमी सगळीं जाणां डिहायड्रेटेड जाला. सोनिया, डू यू हॅव समथिंग टू से? पीस शुगर एनीवे चड बरी ना.
म्हयनो चालू आहा मार्च, सो उदीक सगळें सुकलां आख्खें, नाल्यार फूल भरलेलें आसता. आमी पावसान येयल्ली तेन्ना सगळीं झाडां बिडां कांय नासलीं, सगळें भरलेलें आहलें उदकान. सो आमी आतां वयर चडटा. उदीक बरें सावना.
It was a bit difficult to climb the rocks because they were a little bit slippery, but we anyhow made it to the top. We also saw snakes in the water. One snake went inside as he got shy after seeing us. Then he started swimming in the water. Then this guy started flaunting his swimming skills. Then we began cooking food because we got so hungry after playing in the water.
कुकिंग चल रहा है गाइस. आउटडोर कैंपिंग वन भोजन.
गायज मातशें हांगा पळय आनी मातशे रिव्यूज दिया जेवण कशें जालें तें. हरशी हांवें कांय करूं ना, फक्त सॅलड कट केला.
सॅलड बेस्ट सलाद भाई, सगळा ओके हा भाई. सॅलड बेस्ट. सॅलड टू गुड रे, टू गुड.
Then we were relaxing in the water after having our lunch and admiring the view. We forgot to film ourselves while cleaning the garbage, but we did pick up our trash. It's a humble request, whenever visiting any waterfall, please keep the place clean and tidy. Carry garbage bags to collect all your trash inside it.